Everyone, welcome back again. Standard 3, looking around environmental study textbook. Today I am going to explain your textbook last chapter, chapter 25, and the chapter name is My Tahsil. Do you know, student, what is the meaning of Tahsil? Many houses make a village. Many villages make a Tahsil. Many Tahsil make a district. So, village, Tahsil, district are the three wings of the Panchayat. This include the Gram Panchayat, the Taluka Panchayat, and the District Panchayat. So, with many village make a Tahsil. That's called Tahsil. Now let's start this chapter. This is Ruchan's village. He is living in Jaipur. Given below are the details of village around Jaipur. Discuss according to the details given. You can see this is the Ruchan's village. You can see here this is Jaipur, and this is indicate here Falu, and on the right side is Aglod, and here Hathipura, and the downside is Hirpura. So this is the map of Jaipur. Now see, think and tell which villages are there around your village. In which tehsil is your village? So you can see here is a given a box. Here you have to make your own chart of your tehsil. Here you have to mention your name, wherever I am living in, wherever Valsad, that you have to mention, and then after the village nearby my village are as follows. Now see here, remember and write. Write the name of the village. Abrama, Chikla, Atul, Paddi. These are villages nearby us. We have seen about the village which are nearby. There are 250 tehsil in Gujarat presently. There are various villages in such tehsil. Group of village make tehsil. So, what is tehsil? Group of village make tehsil. We will prepare details about our tehsil. So hope you know what is the meaning of tehsil. Group of village make tehsil. Now come on next page. Here you can see this is the detail of Ratan's tehsil. Here is details of the different tehsil of Vadodara are given. Discuss according to this in details. So where is Ratan living? In Vadodara. And here is showing on the map of Vadodara Savli. And this side is Vagodia. And you can see Padra. Then after on the down you can see here Karajan. So this is the map of Vadodara. Think and tell which are the other tehsil here. In which districts your tehsil is. So according to your tehsil, which district on your tehsil that you have to follow. Now see the next one. Here you have to make your my name. The name of my village is wherever you live. If you live in Valsad, Gujarat, Maharashtra, that you have to mention here. In village is in dash tehsil. In your village, how many tehsil that you have to mention. Then after, some other tehsil are also there near my tehsil. Near your tehsil, which tehsil is there that you have to follow. You have to put their name. Look at and write. So here you have to make a map like first you have to mention your tehsil and nearby your tehsil which that you have to mention on it. There are many villages nearby us. Many villages together make a tehsil. Group of some tehsil make district. There is some speciality in everyone's village, tehsil and district. We will note down speciality of our tehsil. So nearby our Tehsil, which is Padi, Vapi, these are some village. So you can count and you can write on this given here blank. So you can write here also. Okay, write a map and make here according to your near Tehsil or villages. Now come on next page. Think and write. Now the details about your tehsil and write. Animals. Which animals in your tehsil that you have to mention on here. Animals. Goats, cows. Vehicles. Which vehicles in your tehsil showing car, bikes, cycles. Then after pilgrimage places. So Sai Baba temples on Tithal, Ganpati temple on Mograwadi and Garnath temple. So these are pilgrimage place. Then after place of sightseeing where we show the sightseeing on Tithal and Tarkeshwar Mahadev temple, Swaminarayan temple. So these are place where we show the sightseeing in our tehsil. Then after see the last one, main festival. Which festival are celebrate in your tehsil? Diwali, Holi and main is Navratri. Because in our tehsil in Gujarat mainly almost all the peoples are celebrating this festival Diwali, Holi and Navratri. After this see this one, think and tell. The village which are nearby your village called our neighboring village. The tehsil nearby our tehsil is called neighbors tehsil. So which are your neighbors village, that's called neighboring village, and which are in your nearby, that is called your neighbor tehsil. Sometimes nearby village would be also in other tehsil. Know the details about nearby villages. So which village is nearby, that is called your nearby village. So जो भी village हमारे नियर बाय में होते हैं, हमारे आजू बाजू में होते हैं, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? नेबरिंग विलेज. और जो हमारे तहसील के नियर बाय होते हैं, जो तहसील होते हैं, उसको बोलते हैं नेबर्स तहसील. लाइक आवर नेबर्स, जो हमारे आजू बाजू में पड़ोसी होते हैं, उन लोग को हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? नेबर्स बोलते हैं. तो जो विलेज हमारे आजू बाजू में होते हैं उसको नेबरिंग विलेज बोलते हैं. जो तहसील हमारे आजू बाजू में होते हैं उसको बोलते हैं नेबर्स तहसील. ओके. So my dear student, here your all chapter and this last chapter also completed of your textbook. Hope you all understood this. In this chapter we understood about tehsil and village. Many houses make a village, many villages make a tehsil and many tehsil make a district. So village, district and tehsil are three wings of panchayat. So we all understood about it in this chapter. With this, I am going to end my chapter. Hope you all understood and bye bye. Take care, stay safe and stay healthy.